So, students, I will explain a problem to find standard deviation for discrete frequency distribution with an example. Calculate standard deviation for the following. Values of x are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And values of frequency are here 3, 7, 15, 20, 13, 8 and 5. This is the question. So I will solve here. First column I will write the entries of x here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. In the second column I will write the values of frequency. Now I will add frequency values. To get summation of f or capital N. It is 71. Third column will be fx. Multiply each and every entry of f with each and every entry of x. 7 3s are 21, 8 7s are 56, 9 into 15 is 135, 10 into 20 is 200, 11 into 13 is 143, 12 8s is 96, 13 5s are 65. Now I will add all the values of fx here to get summation of fx. 21 plus 56 plus 135 plus 200 plus 143 plus 96 plus 65. It will come as 716. The fourth column will be fx square. How to find this? Multiply each and every entry of x with fx to get fx square. Fx multiplied with x will give me what? Fx square. Fx into x is fx square. So here x into fx square. First entry of x is 7 and fx is 21. 7 into 21 will be 147. Second entry of x is 8. Here second entry of fx is 56. 8 into 56 will be 448. Third entry of x is 9 and third entry of fx is 135. 9 into 135 will be 1215. Fourth entry of x is 10 and fourth entry of fx is 200. 10 into 200 will be 2000. Fifth entry of x is 11 and fifth entry of fx is 143. 11 into 143 will be 1573. Here 12 into 96 is 1152. 13 into 65 is 845. Now I will add all the entries of fx square here to get summation of fx square. It will be 7380. Summation of f is 71 and also equal to capital N. summation of fx is 716. Summation of fx square is 7380. Summation means total of the particular entry. Summation of fx square means I will add all the entries of fx square to get this value. Now I will write the formula for standard deviation. Sigma is equal to summation of fx square divided by n minus x bar the whole square everything inside the square root here. Now put the respective values here in this formula. Summation fx square value is how much? 7380. Divided by capital N, or summation of frequency, is 71. Minus x bar. Oh, we have to find x bar also. I missed that. Okay. Okay, I will find here x bar. X bar is average or arithmetic mean. How to get that? Summation of fx divided by capital N summation of fx here is 716 divided by capital N is total of frequency, it is 71. So when I divide 716 divided by 71, I get 10.08. So value of x bar or arithmetic mean is 10.08. I will use this value here in this formula of standard deviation, 10.08 square, whole square. So sigma of standard deviation equal to square root of 7380 by 71. When I divide this by 7380 by 71, I get value as 103.9437. Here I will find square of this. 10.08 square means multiplying the number with itself. To get square of 10.08, I will multiply 10.08 with 10.08. So the value will be here 101.6064. Now find the difference of these two. Subtract 101.6064 from 103.9437. The value will be 2.3373. So I will find square root of this 2.3373. The value will be 1.5288. So value of sigma or value of standard deviation is 1.5288. And here in this question I will also find the value of variance. Variance is nothing but square of standard deviation. So square means if I find square of this square root of 2.3373 will disappear. This is one way. Other way is squaring this again, 1.5288. So sigma square will be 2.3373. Variance is square of standard deviation. So this will be 2.3373.